Hello, this presentation is going to cover LMC's math pathways. By the end of this video, you will understand our various math pathways, STEM majors, traditional math sequence to calculus or statistics, as well as accelerated options. Let's get started. In order to begin our math path, we have to answer a basic question. Is your major under the STEM field, science, technology, engineering, or math? If so, then we understand we need to follow the calculus sequence. On the right-hand side of this slide, this image represents statistics. Statistics is a science of learning from data, using statistical analysis with the real-world problems for societal advances. Statistics is usually for non-STEM majors. What are the benefits of knowing your math path? It saves you money. Sometimes students take statistics when they should be taking calculus. Therefore, the student took a class that will not assist them with their major preparation. Educational planning requires you to know your math sequence. For example, psychology majors must take statistics before taking Psychology 17, Introductions to Research in Stats. And some students do not plan accordingly, and this affects their transfer deadline. Lastly, sometimes people are undecided or think they may want to explore a STEM field. So they take calculus in their first semester, and whether they are successful, decide they love it, or it makes them change their major entirely to a non-STEM field. To assess or not to assess. If you have passed Algebra 2 in high school with a C or better, you do not have to assess. Also, beginning fall of 2016, High School Algebra 1 with the grade C or better will also count. Bring your high school transcripts to A&R to clear you from this step. Consult with the counselor to see if you can accelerate. This slide covers traditional math sequence to stats. Most students assess in Math 12 for a refresher. Then the following semesters they take the next level of algebra. Then most students will be done with stats in their fourth semester. Calculus pathway for STEM majors can start at the very beginning of algebra, or some students have taken pre-cal at high school and start at Math 50. Now, if your math skills need some refreshing and you begin at Math 12, it can take you 4 courses of remedial before you can take pre-cal. This sometimes discourages some students because of the time. Don't be alarmed, we have a solution for those of you who want to accelerate. We have 2 accelerated options. Math 29 is for any major. However, you must complete pre-algebra before enrolling in this course. Algebra 1 and 2 are covered in this course in 1 semester. Math 29 and passing it with a C or grade or better will allow you to enroll in Math 34 or in Math 40 for the following semester. Please note that math science majors also need geometry before going to Math 40. How does Math 29 work? It's a 7-unit course that covers elementary and intermediate algebra. It meets the AA and AS requirement for math. Ready for transfer level in 1 semester. Who is Math 29 for? Any major, anyone who wants or needs to get through Math 30, willing to do an extra study time on your own. Math 27, Algebra for Statistics. This course is highly recommended for students that are not going into the STEM major, however, may not work for nursing majors. Please see your counselor if you're a pre-nursing major. How does Math 27 work? This is a 6-unit course, but please make note starting fall of 2016 it will drop to 4 units. Ready for transfer level statistics in 1 semester. Who is Math 27 for? Any math background, no math prerequisite is required like Algebra 12. Any major that requires statistics and no other transfer level math such as psychology. Please make note, this is not for business or math or the sciences. Take Math 27 and then Math 34 for the AA degree. Another option for acceleration is our Math 34, Statistics, and Math 28 combination. Math 28 is called Math Support for Statistics. In order to take these 2 courses together, you will have to provide admissions and records proof of 1 year of high school algebra or Math 25 or higher with a C grade or better. You can be done in 1 semester with your transfer level math by using this option. How do I choose one of these options? Talk to your counselor to create or update an educational plan that includes an accelerated class. Ask questions about your major requirements. You can register for any of these classes just like you register for the other classes. Note, each of these classes are popular and they are filling fast. Also, some courses will be changing for fall of 2017 as well as 2016. An update to follow.